Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video you can see we're in the bathroom. Today I'm going to be oil cleansing. Guys, I've not oil cleansed in actually the longest time. Before lockdown and everything, I was oil cleansing like 5 times a week because I was always wearing makeup, and I just found that oil cleansing was the best, most efficient, relaxing, soothing, just the best way for me to remove all of my makeup, including all of the mascara that I wear. I wear a lot of mascara when I do wear it. So oil cleansing was just the perfect way for me to really clean my skin, take off all of the makeup, it was my thing. But then lockdown happened and I've just not been oil cleansing as much. I think I've oil cleansed once in July, I think, but I'm not wearing makeup, so I just don't oil cleanse. And I think I associate oil cleansing with wearing makeup, but like I say later on in the video, I feel like I need to just oil cleanse more regularly because it does feel so great and it really does clean my skin. So that's today's video. I'm going to be oil cleansing, and I'm going to be oil cleansing with my all-time favorite oil to cleanse with, and that is the Fresh SEABERRY Skin Nutrition Cleansing Oil. And yeah, I'm just going to be showing you how I use it. It's so great, and I've really missed using this oil. I don't want to keep you too long, so let's just get straight into the video. So like I said in my introduction, this is going to be an oil cleansing video. I've not filmed one of these in such a long time. Also, I think I can hear some thunder outside, so if you hear grumbling or anything, it's just the thunder outside. So yeah, let's just get started. So I've got my trusty Fresh SEABERRY Skin Nutrition Cleansing Oil. This is my go-to cleansing oil, but you can oil cleanse with any oil. You can even use like olive oil, any oil that's even in your kitchen you could use. This is my favorite, obviously from Fresh. I think this one is £34 the last time I checked. It's still pretty full on account of the fact that I've not worn makeup since March. I think probably like March the 18th or whenever. Yeah, basically I've not worn makeup properly since March, and so I've not really had a need for this, which I could tell because when I was pulling this out of my skincare basket, it was so grim and like dusty. You can just tell that it's not been touched in so long. So yeah, so this is the oil cleanser that I'll be using today, and this basically just says that it removes makeup and it softens your skin, and this has protective orpheus flower extract. I love this because it really does take off every single last scrap of makeup, and I really think that oil cleansers are really great because they do take off all the dirt, all the makeup and stuff. I think it's because oil is naturally quite heavy. Don't quote me on this, but I think it's because oil is quite heavy and can be quite sticky, so dirt and grime and pollution and makeup, it's easy to stick to the oil because oil is a bit heavier. But even though oil is thick, it's also very softening, so you don't feel like your skin is being stripped. This is just a favorite oil of mine. I've never used another facial oil. Actually, wait, no. I did use a jojoba oil many moons ago before I got into oil cleansing as the concept, and I quite liked using that one. But in terms of in the last year, 2 years, I've really just been using this oil. It's really calming on the face. It's very thick, it's nourishing, surprisingly moisturizing, doesn't strip the skin. It's very soft and it plumpens the skin. Like after I use it, my face always feels so plump. And I've got a tiny what do you call it, I've got like a tiny bottle that I keep at my boyfriend's house, so I don't always have to carry these massive ones. But yeah, I really do like this. And then just a tiny bit of background on the oil. So on the back it says Fresh SEABERRY Skin Nutrition Cleansing Oil helps remove impurities and makeup, including waterproof. The blend of 8 nourishing oils and protective extracts effectively cleanses the skin while maintaining natural moisture levels, so skin feels soft and supple and looks healthy and radiant. And it says that you're supposed to massage 3 to 4 pumps to a dry face and closed eyes, add warm water to emulsify, rinse thoroughly with warm water. I love this. And I love how it does emulsify and how it doesn't lather, but it does get a bit like soapy and white. So yeah, I just love it. I think a lot of people are kind of afraid of oil cleansing. I think especially if you've got oily skin, there's a misconception that you don't need oil, that you should really just be drying out your skin, but that's really not the case. Even if you do have oily skin, that's not to say that you should ban all oils, because your skin still needs the oils. But I would definitely recommend this to everyone, no matter what your skin type is, because it is very soft. soft, and it does such a great job at just balancing out your skin, and it feels really smooth. And especially for makeup, this will just take off every last single scrap of makeup, which is what I love about this. And I usually do this as a 2-step double cleanse, which is what I'll show you in just a minute. So I will do this first, and then I will do a gel cleanser. So I normally do my soy face cleanser as my second cleanse, but I think today we're gonna do something a bit different, and I'm gonna use a different cleanser with this just to, you know, experiment and see how it goes. So yeah, let's just jump straight into it. I want to have a shower and take off my makeup because wearing makeup is, do you know what, I actually, such a side note, we love to ramble here. It was actually quite nice wearing makeup today. I've not worn makeup, like I said, since March. It was nice putting on like a full face of makeup. Well, not a full face of makeup. All I did was foundation and mascara. But anyway, yeah. So it was really nice putting on makeup, and I think it's going to be even nicer taking it off because it's very restricting. Makeup is so restricting. But anyway, I'm blabbing. So yeah, let's get into using this. And yeah, ooh, the face is clean, but this is just, oh, I'm very close, so very close, I'm so close. So that is just the first cleanse, and now I'm going to go in with a second cleanse just to make sure that I get off the rest of the makeup, if there's any makeup left on my face, to make sure that I get off basically just the makeup, the sweat, the sunscreen, the dirt, all of that stuff, just to make sure that everything comes off. Normally what I would do if I was just doing this by myself, I wouldn't dry my face. I would go straight from rinsing off the oil to then going straight into the second cleanse, just because it's more productive that way. But for the sake of the video, I took a break to show you. Okay, so the first step is done. You can already see the makeup has come off. It's clear. I don't have any more mascara on my face. This is pretty much me, my face. Beautiful. And then for my second cleanse, I'm going to go in with the Murad Prebiotic 4-in-1 Multi Cleanser. I've been using this for the past couple of weeks, probably been about 2 months at this point now. Use this in the morning and in the evening. No, I definitely use this in the evening, but sometimes I'll alternate between using it in the morning depending on how I feel, basically. So I'm going to go in with this. I've not used this as a second cleanse with an oil cleanser before, so this will be quite interesting to see how they both work together. So yeah, I'm just going to show you guys with this, and then we'll get on. Ooh. So my face is clean, it's been oil cleansed, it's been double cleansed. I have to say that I'd not used the combination, here comes the thunder. I have to say I'd not used the combination of the oil and that Murad cleanser before. This is the first time that I've done it. And do you know what? I'm not mad at it. My face definitely feels different. I think because the Murad cleanser has lots of prebiotics in it, and the Murad cleanser on its own is already, it's a 4-in-1, so it's already suited for removing makeup. So my face feels, I don't know how to say it, like my face just feels super clean. You know when you like really clean something a lot, it kind of feels like it's gonna start squeaking soon. So I think maybe next time I will not use the two products together. Well, actually no, I think the next time I wear makeup, if I'm gonna wear lots of makeup, then I'll use the two products together. But otherwise, I think I'll just use the oil with the soy face cleanser because they're a bit more compatible. But yeah, my face was really clean. I've missed oil cleansing. I feel like oil just gets in that extra bit deeper into the skin and it just cleans out your skin so much better. So I really need to start doing is just oil cleansing on a regular day, because you don't just need to oil cleanse after you've worn makeup. That's definitely something for me to work on. I mean, I still double cleanse every day because obviously you want to get rid of the sunscreen that you've worn, and just the regular day-to-day, you still want to wash that off your face. But oil cleansing is just not something that I do unless I wear makeup. But definitely I'm going to start oil cleansing just regularly because I really missed it, and I've missed the oil in particular. That fresh oil is just, it's so good. I always used to say that it's the best £34 you will ever spend, and it really is. It's definitely in my top 5 fresh products. I love the oil so much. It's so nourishing and my face feels so plump. I mean, not so much now because I used it with the Murad cleanser, but normally my face feels super plump. I've got a couple of videos on this cleanser, so definitely make sure you go and check those out after this one, just so you can get a more authentic review and impression of the oil, because the oil is so great. It's the best thing since sliced bread. Love, love, love it. But anyway, yeah, I'm gonna run off and have a shower because I'm so hot, and then I will see you after my shower. Okay gang, so I'm done, I'm out of the shower, I've got me towel on. I just thought that the oil cleansing routine video would be so incomplete if I didn't just tack on an evening skincare routine at the end. But I'm just gonna whiz through the products. So yeah, let's go quickly. Great. We're done. Very quick. It's so much quicker when you're not talking. Who knew? Basically the only thing that's missing now is lip balm, but once I finish filming I'm gonna just go and put on some lip balm. So guys, I'm all done. Once I get back into my room, I'm also gonna moisturize because I haven't moisturized yet, and then I'm gonna get into bed. It's about like 9:45. I don't have my phone with me, but it's about 9:45. So yes, that was my oil cleansing evening skincare routine. Basically I just love oil cleansing. I think it's a really great way to deeply clean your skin. It's a great way to keep your skin moisturized, nourished, hydrated, to really keep your skin clean, to get out all of the makeup. Lots of like beauticians, estheticians, dermatologists, they do recommend oil cleansing because it does, you know, just like clean your skin the extra bit more, and it's very gentle and hydrating, and it can just help with a lot of other skin issues and stuff. And also it's like nice and it's a bit therapeutic when you're massaging your face. It's literally like you're giving yourself a facial massage because the oil is just so soothing. I think especially if you're using like, you know, an essential oil or just anything really, it's really relaxing, and it gives you that time to yourself where you can really just, you know, massage your face and like drift off. I always get a bit carried away, so when I'm not filming I get a bit carried away with oil cleansing because it just feels so nice. But yeah, definitely I would recommend oil cleansing. If you've not oil cleansed before, you don't need a fancy oil. You can start off with some olive oil in your kitchen, see how you like that, and then if you do like it, then you can start looking at like actual oils. Anyway, so I'm rambling a little bit, so I'm gonna end this video here. Let me know if you oil cleanse, if you've used this fresh oil in the past, if you like using it, let me know. And yeah, that is all from me. I'm gonna go to bed now. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, and in the meantime I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.